And let's get you the very latest as far as Maharashtra is concerned. And there was a very awkward moment there with Uddhav Thackeray meeting with Devendra Fadnavis right outside the lift. This is at the Maharashtra Assembly that started today. This is that awkward moment of silence that you can see over there. It is Uddhav Thackeray there along with the former Chief Minister and the current Deputy Chief Minister there, exchanging cold glances there. So a very awkward moment that was captured on camera. Reading the body language, it was polite but cold vibes is how it's being described. So let's just listen into what Uddhav Thackeray had to say about the meeting.
आता लिफ्टमध्ये मी आणि देवेंद्र फडणवीस एकत्र होतो. अनेकांना असं वाटलं असेल ते गाणं आहे ना, नाना करते प्यार, म्हणजे त्यांचा पाटोळ्यांशी काही संबंध नाही. नाना करते प्यार म्हणून तुम्हीच कर बैठे असं काही नाहीये. ती एक योगायोगाने झालेली अनौपचारिक भेट होती. आणि म्हटलं तर असं म्हणा, मगाशी कुठे दिनेश मग बोलले की भिंतीला कान असतात आणि लिफ्टच्या भिंतीला कान नसतात. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही चांगली सजेशन केली की यापुढे आमच्या गुप्त बैठका आम्ही लिफ्टमध्येच करू.
And we have my colleague Radhika joining us from Mumbai to get us more on this. Radhika, take us through that awkward moment that was captured on camera when it comes to Uddhav Thackeray there bumping into Devendra Fadnavis right outside the lift.
That's right. Political friends who turned foes, bumping into each other. Of course, it was an accidental meeting that happened just ahead of monsoon session. This happened this morning. They were outside the lift, had to sort of travel in the same lift. And of course, Uddhav Thackeray jokingly, they're saying that probably they will have more secret meetings in the lift. Of course, there was a conversation that was exchanged, perhaps small talks that was exchanged, not entirely certain what the, conversation was all about. It lasted for a few minutes, but yes, as far as the monsoon session of Maharashtra is concerned, it will be stormy. Today was the first day of the session. Nothing much happened. Both the houses got adjourned. But the next 2 weeks are going to be chaotic and dramatic as, the opposition led by Uddhav Thackeray as well as several other leaders are all set to corner the state government over many issues. Soon after the exchange, this accidental meeting that happened next to the lift, although Uddhav Thackeray did, rubbish it and jokingly said we may have secret meetings, he was quick to lash out at the state government over multiple issues, including, the drug abuse in Pune and several other matters also being taken up by Uddhav Thackeray, saying that all of that will be addressed and raised on the floor of the House and several questions will be asked, to the state government as far as the policies and implementation of several promises by the state government is concerned.
Of course, Uddhav Thackeray, they're attacking the government in Maharashtra and also the central government, going on to say, whether it is the Ram Mandir or the NEET exam, both are leaking. So he has called this government a leakage government and, while slamming the Maharashtra government as well as Modi's government.
That's right. Uddhav Thackeray was quick to hit out at the centre and the state over multiple issues, as I mentioned. Of course, he started by saying that, the state government is going to bring out or announce several schemes, including schemes for women in the state. Although many schemes will be announced just ahead of assembly elections, remains to be seen how much these schemes will be implemented, to what extent that will be implemented, because there are multiple guarantees and promises that had been made by the state government which was not fulfilled by the state over the last few years. Also talking about farmers distressed and a loan waiver which was not implemented by the state government, and also speaking about NEET exam, and that leakage is something that is synonymous with the present government. So yes, Uddhav Thackeray was quick to lash out at the state government over multiple issues, and they are buoyant. MVA, as far as opposition in the state is concerned, they are optimistic, buoyant, in a comfortable space, especially after the stellar victory in Lok Sabha elections, almost winning 31 out of 48 seats. Of course, as far as state government is concerned, it is in the back foot, considering the loss that it faced during Lok Sabha elections. So yes, there will be confrontation. MVA will be cornering state government over multiple issues, and this is highly significant considering assembly elections are just round the corner in the state.
Right, Radhika, let's just listen into what the former Chief Minister had to say. I mean, he has gone on to say that the Modi government is a big galti government. Let's listen in.
पण एकूणच जर बघितलं तर केंद्र आणि राज्य हे त्यांच्याच भाषेत डबल इंजिन सरकार आपण किंवा ते म्हणत असतील तर ही दोन्ही सरकारं महागळती सरकार आहेत. हे लिकेज सरकार आहे. कारण राम मंदिराच्या गाभाऱ्यात सुद्धा लिकेज झालेलं आहे, पेपर फुटी झालेली आहे, म्हणजे पेपर सुद्धा लीक होत आहेत, मंदिर सुद्धा लीक होते आणि ह्यांना लाज लज्जा शरम काही नाहीये.